Sa wakas, we made it. We've been waiting for this day for so long, and it's now finally happened.
Feels like I'm standing in a timeless dream of light.
Ilang beses ko na panaginipan, pero ngayon, totoo na talaga to.
Pale amber rose.
Sobra yung saya ko ngayon at sobra din yung pagpapasalamat ko kay Lord dahil ikaw yung taong nilaan niya para sa akin.
Cloud of heavenly scent, touching, discovering you.
B, Mahal. First of all, I would like to thank God for having you in my life. And for answering my prayers na sana matupad na ang pangarap mo na maging asawa ko. Thank you po, Lord.
Miles of windless.
I love you more than anything in this world. Ikaw ang puso ko, kaluluwa ko, at minsan sakit ng ulo ko.
Shared in the heat.
Pa, thank you sa pagpapalaki sa akin. Lumaki akong maayos dahil sa mga gabay mo sa akin. Ma, salamat of course sa gabay mo rin. Sa mga pangaral mo sa akin, especially words from God.
Near and far, closer together.
Commitment comes from the Latin word committere, means to tie. Kenneth at Lara, today, this afternoon, you will be tied to one another.
Everything I will do for you. You've got the most unbelievable blue eyes I've
Ay,
ever
mahal, I know na hindi mo na mahuhulaan tong gift ko sa'yo. Relo. I know you like this since matagal na. Inuungo to sa akin, grabe. See you. Love you. Coffee is life. Para sa'yo din to eh. Love mo ko.
exotic sweet.
Thank you, Mama and Papa, kasi lumaki akong okay and sobrang okay yung sitwasyon ko ngayon sa buhay. It's because of both of you na pinalaki niyo ako ng maayos at ngayon may maayos akong trabaho at magsimula na ako ng sarili kong pamilya.
Say you'll love me forever.
I promise na gagawin ko din yung katulad ng kung paano niyo ako pinalaki para maging maayos din yung pamilya ko at yung mga magiging anak namin.
Forever, never stop, never whatever.
I can wait to spend the rest of my life with you, Mahal. Pangako na aalagaan kita, mamahalin kita, at pipiliin kita araw-araw habang buhay. Mahal na mahal kita, Lara.
Near and far, closer together.
Kenneth at Lara, compatibility is all about acceptance, understanding, and respect. Kaya Kenneth at Lara, you will be compatible to one another if you know and learn to accept, to understand, and respect one another despite of your differences and imperfections.
Mahal, oras na para maging misis mo ako. I love you so much. Thank you.
Pakita mo ba? Oh, di ba? I'm proud to be. Kailangan mo to. Mahal, ngayong papasok na tayo sa panibagong yugto ng buhay natin. Patuloy tayong mangangarap at tutuparin natin yan ng magkasama. Congratulations on your wedding. Cheers, guys! Maging mahirap man at anumang pagsubok ang dumating, nangangako ako na mananatili ako sa tabi mo. Ikaw ang magiging lakas ko at ako ang magiging sandalan mo. Mapagod man ako, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Mahal, you are my home now. I vow to love you for the rest of my life. I love you.